Where are you? This man here?
Yeah, man. How you doing? We're back to stock block. What's the record for a stock block though?
Well, we done 9-9.
9-9?
Yeah. And we done 10-1 yesterday. So we're trying to do another 9 or 9. We only put stock engine just to have some fun.
Yeah.
We didn't want to sit out. Hopefully, we have set it up a bit to race.
So what's the difference? So why you got all stock internals? You got a different head on it and stuff?
No, complete.
So it's just a hoofing big turbo on it, yeah?
Yeah, same setup for my built engine.
Yeah.
But all the rest of it is fully stock. Stock engine, stock head. This is the FN2 engine, so the only thing we did change was the oil pump. They have a balancer in the oil pump.
Clutch is upgraded, obviously.
Yeah.
Gearbox.
I've got my sequential on this time.
Yeah. So that's all strengthened.
Yeah.
But just the actual block, yeah.
Yeah. The last time I done it on a standard gearbox.
Yeah.
But this time I just had the applications. I thought, why not just throw it on and have some fun? Do you get what I mean? But we're only at 16 psi. We're gonna try and push it to like 22, 23.
Yeah. So I should be on the track later anyway, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Have a good one.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Goes through with a 984 and 104. Gordon down there just shaking his head. Literally, it's not even over. He's just and 143. But it is Ahmed Jamshed that goes through with a 971, 144, Jacobs 1022.